by anyone the gods would send to kill you.
My mother put up with that creep to protect me? I wish I'd known. She sacrificed so much for me. Now she's gone. Why am I even here?
You're here because you're in jeopardy. Everyone thinks you're the lightning thief.
Look, I didn't steal it.
Zeus's bolt is the most powerful weapon ever created. And if it's not returned by the summer solstice in 10 days, there will be a war.
This is your problem, all right? Not mine. This is about your world, not mine.
This is about all worlds. Olympians would be forced to choose sides. Earth would become a battleground. Mountains erupted, earthquakes, raging fires. The end of life as you know it.
What can we do?
I want to take you to Olympus. Convince Zeus of your innocence. Someone's using you to start a war.